Welcome, in front of me is an LG Velvet, and today I'll show you how to transfer files. So, to get started, we'll need to open up our file app, which I need to first find. Oh, there it is. So it's Files, let's continue, and at the bottom of the list you should see your internal or storage devices, and you should see internal storage and your SD card, assuming you have an SD card. And if you don't see anything there, make sure you tap on the three dots and you should see Show Storage Devices, exact opposite for what it's shown for me. And once you tap on it, you will see those storages at the bottom here. So from here, you want to go to the internal storage or an SD card to find your files. Now I'm gonna look for mine quickly, and it looks like my photos are in camera folder under the DCIM. So just a key, just as a quick guide, photos, videos that you have captured with the device will be located under the DCIM folder. Downloads folder will contain anything that you have downloaded, that be through either your web browser, email, or whatever else, whatever other app you were using. Then you have music, movies, and notifications, podcasts, ringtones, stuff like that. Usually those folders will contain stuff only if you place something in them. Other than that, they're primarily empty. And also there should be pictures. There it is. Pictures folder will contain screenshots that you have captured on the device. So now that you have got rid of the basically where everything is located, find your files, which, like I said before, mine are located under the DCIM right over here, and you want to select them. So to select them, you can either hold it, like basically a single file, you hold it and it gets selected, and then you can tap on additional ones to select more of them. If you have an entire folder full of photos, for instance, not just 5 pictures like I do, but for instance hundreds, and you want to select them all, you can simply tap on 3 dots and choose Select All. This will select everything that is in this folder. Or a different way that you can do it, if you want everything from that folder, is just to simply select the folder itself. Now whichever way you do it, it's completely up to you. But once you have selected your files, you want to tap on the 3 dots again, and this time around choose either Move or Copy too. Now each one will do something a little bit different. So Move will completely remove them from where they are right now and move them to a new location, while Copy will create a set of the same files and move them to a new location while keeping the old ones where they are right now. Now I'm gonna go with Move, and when you select one of them, you will see the window pop up, and you now have to select where you want to move them to. So right now my files are on the internal storage, so just to keep it completely different, I'm gonna move it to a SD card. And from here you can see almost the exact same file structure as we had on the phone itself, with the key difference is that, well, camera folder here is empty. So all you need to do now is navigate whatever you want to drop your files in. So I'm gonna go into camera folder under the DCIM and move it in here, and we need to allow access, allow, and it will begin. Now once the process is finished, we can go back, and let's go back. I'm gonna go to the SD card and DCIM, camera, and there we go. You can see that there are the 5 pictures that I moved from my phone, and if we go back to the phone storage, you will see that those files do not exist in here anymore. So that is how you would move, copy any kind of file from one place to another. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.